Hello. We are now at a new location and we are crosswalking. See this lovely crosswalk? Yeah.
I think it's pretty sexy.
Yeah, they just redid it. Put in our beautiful country town. Our town of what the fuck are we?
Algonquin.
That great place.
Yeah, you know.
It's up cars. Where's Kirkalackin? Yeah.
Hey.
So. Yeah, we made a new friend. Woo! Hell yeah.
So you see that big water tower over there?
I do see that big water tower over there.
It's pretty nifty.
It is pretty nifty.
I think it's kind of pretty with all the sunset, you know.
I do know.
Oh, really?
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Hell yeah, I know
the Muffin Man. He works at Sondic. He works at motherfucking Sondic. Oh yeah!
Sondic?
Yeah, you wouldn't know. It's a labia joke. Okay, wait, there's bikers here, so we're gonna videotape the bikers. Secretly. Hey, bikers. Nobody can see this.
Why is it Adam?
Here, you hold it.
Okay. So, howdy, Trina.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
The kid's my best friend, guys.
You're my best friend, too.
No.
Okay.